Like I've rented another car, and the keys come together with this piece of cable that's been crimped. So this is not the one where you just turn a little figure 8 and it comes apart. These are actually crimped. And if I lose one key, I lose them both. It's a small fortune. Plus I want to have a spare backup in my pocket just in case. So you know what? When you're on the road or traveling, you don't have a pair of vice grips or whatever to cut this off. So the quick, easy way, it's a little bit brutal, is just twist them. Just keep on twisting. And either the crimp will break. So there we go. And when you hand it back to the dealer, they really don't care that you've got them in pieces as long as you get both keys back, and they'll just recrimp them. So quick, easy hack for on the road, you rent a car, and you get the two keys stuck together. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.